Fans, welcome to Omero TV. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Omero TV. God bless you. My people, there is fire on the mountain. Aye! They don't break Yul Edochie heart. Yul Edochie is in pain. Yul Edochie is in pain. Coming from a reliable source, Yul Edochie, they use bottle till they change bottle right now. The man don't hide, they drink. Hey. My people, do me, I do you. Some people no fit take that thing. They go do you, pepper you. But only one small thing when you go just do, they go won't buy. I don't know why it be like that. People wey be say that they always the pepper person. If you can't reply them with only one thing, they go say they won't just buy. They say una actor when they call you Yul Edochie, they use bottle till they change bottle right now. If una see the situation and condition of Yul Edochie right now, hey, maybe some of una feel pity Ramo for me, mbano. So maybe some of you might pity him because Yul Edochie is in a critical condition. This man just dey drink, say won't buy. So this man say won't buy. He say he cannot survive this. He called that his friend again. No, he tell his friend say, he not tell you say, see wetin dey happen. May Edochie has finally posted it. For those of una wey dey follow me up on this channel, remember I told you people how Yul Edochie call a friend, tell a friend say it can never happen. Say Yul Edochie, say me Edochie and a new man, her boyfriend, na he travel go Spain. So me Edochie posted this. Na Amobingo don provoke. Yul Edochie was telling his friend. He said now May Edochie and her boyfriend na he travel go Spain. Like I told you people in that video, I told you people that the information now from Yul Edochie side, now we forget some more. So I don't know how true it is. Now Yul Edochie don't call a friend, tell a friend say, wetin he tell you yesterday? He tell you say now from reliable source. Now if for years say no be only May Edochie travel go Spain. Say now May Edochie and a new man. May Edochie and a new man na he travel go Spain. And according to Yul Edochie, he say information don reach am say the man don engage May Edochie for this Spain when they go. And May Edochie gladly received the engagement ring. Hey! Yul Edochie say it don't finish. Juju Ekwensu don't finish am o. Juju Ekwensu don't finish am. Hey! So the problem now is Juju Ekwensu. I thought May Edochie was your problem o. So Juju Ekwensu na be the problem now. When I tell you, I say this man, if you don't use brain, follow Yul Edochie, you yourself, you will be confused like him. At the very beginning, say na May Edochie be problem. Now, Yul Edochie say na Judy Austin, na it be problem. He said Judy Austin have come to destroy him. Judy Austin don't finish him. If not be Judy Austin, May Edochie no go dey show engagement ring. Hey! May Edochie no go dey show this engagement ring. May Edochie don't engage. Coming from Yul Edochie, like I always say, if I get my information from reliable source, I go still can't tell una with my full chest. But you see this one, I no fit tell you say the story is truth or is lie, because it's coming from our Amobingo Yul Edochie, which is a chameleon when he change color. This man can do anything to bring May Edochie down. You no wan just see May Edochie and seal. So this one where they talk, whether not true or not lie, I don't know. But this is the picture, and the video is also there. If you want find out, there for May Edochie page, the video is there. Where May Edochie for the show this ring. So Yul Edochie na I come dey give us information o. This information of Yul Edochie and this information of May Edochie journey for Spain. Now from inside Yul Edochie Gabon, now for the gather the information. Yul Edochie said they engaged, said this engagement was done. When he said that when they reach Spain, the first surprise when this May Edochie Newman give him was this engagement party. So according to Yul Edochie right now, May Edochie has been engaged. According to Yul Edochie, he said May Edochie not reject the ring. Because this is not the first time they have engaged May Edochie. Somebody did a surprise for May Edochie with an engagement party. Now Yul Edochie, they give us details. May Edochie rejected that ring. Say no, she's not ready. So that thing give Yul Edochie hope well. Say this woman, be like say she's not ready to go into any relationship. So he could get her for mind. Say last, he and May Edochie, they fit still come back together. According to wetin he tell a friend yesterday. So surprisingly, when May Edochie and this new man come travel, now Yul Edochie come dey para. Say he don't tie May Edochie for ground. No man when he go stay with May Edochie. Now they come carry the tori come go give Yul Edochie. Say Yul Edochie, they don't engage you. May Edochie and a new man, they don't engage. It was a party. May Edochie not post them. Now they come carry still go tell Yul Edochie say, Yul Edochie, May Edochie don't engage you. They did a little party. Friends were there, well-wishers were there. No filming and no recording. According to Yul Edochie. So Yul Edochie now they tell us say the engagement has been done. May Edochie have accepted the ring, which he no go allow to happen. Yul Edochie don't send message to May Edochie through people close to her that May Edochie should remove that engagement ring. According to wetin Yul Edochie talk, I no go talk off for you because some of una fit verse scatter my comment section. Yul Edochie say engagement make May Edochie remove that engagement ring. Say May Edochie is wasting her time. The man said many things. So, like I said, if I talk wetin this man talk, the way some of una take verse, even me when I hear am, be like say make I just go boss Yul Edochie. But I look am. I say and say the man na frustration the warrior. Na frustration. They say you don't know the value of what you have until you lose it. He thought that Judy Austin will give him everything that May Edochie was giving him. The man not even see quarter. Quarter, he not see. Now they know the value of his wife. Now I know the quality of a wife that God gave him. God used May Edochie to bless Yul Edochie. But he just throw this diamond. Throw it away. Now Yul Edochie say another person don't pick. Another person don't take a diamond from her. Yul Edochie, the kind message when he sent, go give May Edochie. Priceless Sale was forced to reply Yul Edochie. According to him, he said Priceless Sale send a message. Priceless Sale tell am say, no think say May Edochie no dey talk. Say he no get friends around her. Concentrate on the woman when you say is your peace of mind. And let May Edochie concentrate on the man. Make Yul Edochie let May Edochie concentrate on the man wey be say he no like woman wey get peace of mind. Abi no be you talk and say May Edochie no dey give you peace of mind. Yul Edochie saying tell Priceless say he no talk like that. Now Priceless says tell and say when you feel come out tell the world that Judy Austin is your peace of mind, that means May Edochie is your hell of mind. Abi now she dey give you hell. So somebody else value that hell where you say you don't want. Oga, stay with your peace of mind. Let the man that value the hell, let him take control. Yul Edochie say for priceless to send her that message, that means it is confirmed. May Edochie is engaged. Yul Edochie saying a story for the gods. He says it's not going to happen. If they like, may they do marriage for Spain there. He said if they like, make they do marriage. They like, make they do anything. He said go scatter. Back to sender. Yul Edochie say go scatter. Now he make me say I don't want to call you. He say he ready. He ready to go join the ancestors for May Edochie to remain single. That is how far this man has gone. When he talked this word, I shock him. You know, love, or should I call it? I don't even know what I won't call Yul Edochie because I don't see anything love. Something you love, you don't want to lose it. You don't want that thing. You don't want that thing to go out of your hand. Anything where you love, you want to protect it. But Yul Edochie did not protect May Edochie. He did not. Because May Edochie give her an option. The woman give her an option. How woman want good rich? He say, Oga, you've made a mistake. Fine. You are very welcome back home. Accept your child, but not the woman. When May Edochie give her that option, Yul Edochie took that option for granted, believing that his wife cannot abandon him. Took May Edochie's silence and good wife material as a weak woman. He said, no, I'm polygamous in nature. I can marry two wives. He don't know say the woman just they look at with one eye. They gave him option. Now he no choose. Now he choose the option where he value. He said no. He said he wants to stay with Judy Austin because he want to practice polygamy. Now May Edochie say she will not practice. Abi no be so it happen. Now he choose Judy Austin. May Edochie dey her own jejeje. Now Oga say na lie. He say can never happen. He said that man in dey find a picture. If they find the picture of that man, Yul Edochie don't they call different people. Different people. A lot of people that are close to May Edochie, they even they tell May Edochie, say, May Edochie, if you get any man, I beg I down. Your ex-husband is going crazy. He's going colometus. He's desperately looking for the picture of that man. Say one carry and go the strongest native doctor. If not for him to go join the ancestor, so far made that man come down, he go do it. He said he's ready to give himself to any deity in exchange of May Edochie remaining single. He said not on his eyes will he even imagine it. Say May Edochie deal with another man. This thing is going crazy. It's going crazy. May Edochie close friends, they are beginning to say this thing is not something they need to joke with anymore. Because at this point, people might call it kolo, but this man fit do undoable. All these kind of men, they are very dangerous. Because he wants May Edochie be the one seeing him living, moving on with Judy Austin. But he don't want to see May Edochie move on with another man. All these kind of men, they do different kind of evil. This one where they talk say he's ready to give up himself. This kind of person can harm the woman. This kind of men, they can do anything. After all, Yul Edochie don't lose everything. He not get anything we won't lose for life again. He know say life don't F up. He don't scatter a life with his own hand. He not get value, he not get respect again. Sleeping with him, another man's wife. Mr. Obasi dey social media 247. They give us details every day. How Yul Edochie sleep with his wife. So Yul Edochie at this point, a lot of men don't value him again. And you know, men, they like respect from other men also. By the time other men start looking down on them, they're not to the fancy round, which it already they happen to Yul Edochie. So men like Yul Edochie, they don't have anything to lose. You know, saying don't lose everything. In respect and everything is gone. So this kind of men, they are very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. Especially to their ex-wife. This engagement ring where they made Edochie hand, na in they buy Yul Edochie silently now. So Yul Edochie just wants make this woman remain single. Make this woman just package herself like furniture. Why they misbehave round, they go everywhere. No be 3 children you don't born under the nose of this woman. Maybe me Edochie, maybe not be even engagement ring. The woman just wear am. Oga want to buy. All these heirs that refuse to move on. Oga move on. Wetin concern you with me Edochie engagement? Una had to say they send a clip of the party. He say he get am. The clip of the party. How they prepare the place. Somebody sent him the picture. He saw the video. Me Edochie has engaged. It will not happen. They say they from bottle, they enter bottle now. From bottle now, Yul Edochie till they change bottle. He won't mad. As he can't tell a friend, now a friend can say, it say you the joke yesterday. Oh, that means this thing are true. Now Yul Edochie tell and say, if he they tell you something, they believe him. Before he can tell you, say, me Edochie and man, now he travel go Spain, he know the joke. He don't hear all the details. He say he don't hear all the details they with him. How they take travel together, how they are planning for the future. He say many things. He don't get the details. He say many things when they plan. He say don't get the details. He say the video where the man for engage me Edochie say he get them. Person send that clip. Hey, this one not be monitoring spirit. This one pass monitoring spirit. Oh. So you'll be able to contact somebody close to me Edochie. You'll be able to get the clip of the video where they engage me Edochie. This is more than obsession. Oh. This thing don't pass, be careful. Now Yul Edochie friend when they tell Yul Edochie, say, you know, say Yul Edochie waiting they talk yesterday, say, na true too. So me Edochie don't true engage. Now he say, so me Edochie don't true engage. Now he say, me Edochie don't engage you. Now so Yul Edochie they cry. He say, na Judy Austin. Now he can't spoil a life. He still get up, say one day and me Edochie go come together. But look at it. For me Edochie to accept engagement ring, that means she's ready to marry. He dated me Edochie. He dated me Edochie. When he carry engagement ring, give me Edochie ask her, tell her, so we are not ready to marry. You know, they wear engagement ring, they work out for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. When the engagement is supposed to take place is when you know you're ready to marry. He says so. For me Edochie to put engagement ring for her, me Edochie is ready to marry. Now they say I'm a bingo, my people. What do you guys think? This information is coming from Yul Edochie. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. This is Omero TV. God bless you.